Hi everyone, this is Priyasha Das from Crackzat, and in case you're looking for a magical spell, what to do in 15 days so that I get my perfect percentile for the ZAT examination, then this video might not be for you. In this video, we are going to spill some practical strategies and talk about the right approaches which can probably change your current scores and improve it to something which you desire to get. I'll be sharing few absolute numbers and details with you on the screen right now, and with the point that yes, if you are looking forward to crack the examination or you're looking forward to improve your score significantly, then this video is for you. In 15 days, I might not promise that if you start from scratch, you would be able to crack the exam or not, but I would definitely be promising that you would see significant improvement in your scores. So let's start with a strategy. There's a 5-step strategy which I want all of you to seriously follow. Okay. Step number one, if you have seen my 30 days planner video, then you might have observed this one thing. I'll share that with you so that you get better idea of it. See, if you are watching this 15 days left to that, then probably we are somewhere here, and you must be seeing the poem based RC and all of this. This is nothing but the primary section of the day. I have asked you to do this. I have asked you to do the daily rituals, and I've asked you to take a proper test every single day, right? Now, when it comes to this fact, if you see till Friday, my expectation from everyone who has been following this 30 days planner would be that you might have given 5 full-length mocks already. Chalo, theek hai, in case you haven't given 5 full-length mocks, I expect that if you want to implement these change of strategies, then I expect you to have given at least 3 to 4 mocks full length, okay? Because that will help you to know what are your strong areas, what are your weak areas, and what strategy do you use to get to the maximum score when you are selecting sections on sections in the full length test. Okay, because जो मैं अभी बोलने जा रही हूँ, that might help you to change your strategy a bit and try to improve your scores there. So starting with the first point, अभी तक मैंने आपको क्या बोला था? I have asked you to do the practice, then take a test, then give the daily rituals, right? Now let's do a flip in the strategy, guys. Let's start with the test itself. And by test, my expectation is that you can either give a full length test or a sectional, but either of these two only every single day. Okay, every single day, probably it will be more convenient for you to give sectionals, and then according to this particular strategy, you can give full length mocks on the given days, or if you can give more mocks, that would be better. Now, how does this step help? So let me explain you this a little better. What I want you people to do in this stage is take a test. It can be a full length test or it can be a sectional where you understand what are your mistakes. So step number 2, after taking the test, you are expected to analyze your mistakes. If you have not seen my video of how to analyze a mock properly, then please watch it. The link is in the description box. It's a short video which tells you the 3 types of mistakes. This may say the only mistake which you have to focus your attention on is misinterpret or misjudge. Yani wo mistakes which you think are the right answer and you tick it and you mark it also and come, and later you realize while analysis that this did not go right. I did something wrong and I did not get it correct. Because abhi hamare paas jitna kam time hai, guys, see, eventually we know that we should do all the chapters, but right now the time doesn't allow us to do that. So in this situation, let us focus and given our entire time and energy onto those chapters where there is even slightest scope of attempt. एग्जाम में आप उन्हीं क्वेश्चंस को अटेम्प्ट करोगे जो क्वेश्चंस के आपको स्लाइटेस्ट होप ऑफ करेक्ट आंसर होने का थोड़ा सा भी होप है. Because if you don't have that much of confidence in a certain section or a certain topic, let's say, then it becomes difficult. Then the chances of getting negative marks increases. So to avoid that, that's why I want you people to focus on those chapters where you're doing things wrong, or those topics, even verbal में. You have to see कि आप कौन सा बिल्कुल attempt नहीं कर रहे हो versus the questions which you're attempting and getting wrong. Attempting and getting wrong means कि कहीं ना कहीं आपके दिमाग को ये लग रहा था कि it would be correct, but वो किसी reason से correct नहीं हुआ. वो reason क्या है? Is that what you have to find out in the analysis part. So second part of the thing, the day done, the strategy second part done, you will analyze it and list down all the topics which you misinterpreted. Now the third part, everyone, third part actually is very, very crucial and important. यू गाइज नीड टू नो दिस दैट थर्ड पार्ट में आपको करनी है प्रैक्टिस। तो जो प्रैक्टिस सेशन मैंने आपको 30 डेज प्लानर में बोला था, उससे दूसरे टॉपिक्स को करने की जगह आप लिस्ट डाउन कर दो दो 4-5 टॉपिक्स जो आपने अपने टेस्ट में गलत किए हैं, एंड ट्राई टू डू अराउंड 20-40 क्वेश्चंस, जितना भी आपका टाइम आपको परमिट करता है, दोज मेनी क्वेश्चंस का प्रैक्टिस। Now, this is the third step where you're practicing. When you're learning, always remember to check the answer immediately after you do one question, because with every single question you learn something and you apply it in the second question. So that should be a third part of the strategy. Now the fourth part of the strategy has to be a feedback test. So feedback test को लेने के लिए मेरी आपसे ये expectation रहेगी that you go back and check those same topics with a very tiny test. The tiny test can be as small as anything like a 5-question test, a 10-question test, just to see that आपने जो भी उस चैप्टर से पढ़ा आप उसे implement कर पा रहे हो या नहीं. This will be a step number 4, and now you are in a complete loop, guys. You gave a test, you worked on your problems, you again gave a test to see where do you exist. Then you again start the day with something new. But एक चीज है जो लिटरली इन 15 डेज में आपको बहुत बहुत ज्यादा इंप्रूव करा सकती है आपके स्कोर्स को, और आपको बहुत ज्यादा एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड बना सकती है. व्हाट विल दैट बी? Of course, the daily rituals, everyone. Daily rituals are not just set of questions which you do on a daily basis. These daily rituals are something which train your brain or habituate your brain onto doing these particular questions in a loop, right one after the other. आपका brain coma में ना चला जाए right after jumping from one DM set to one DI set is what exactly you need to practice by doing the daily rituals religiously. So make sure that if you haven't downloaded the free daily rituals so far, you go to my Topmate and download it, or go to my Telegram group and download it. You'll easily find it there just by typing daily rituals in the chat. All you have to do is go through those questions, because these are hand-picked questions only for ZAT aspirants. So that would really, really help everyone in the last 15 days where you need pinpointed studies and of course a right strategy. So ये रहे आपके 5 step to actually do something towards improving your score. अब score की बात करते हैं, तो these are some real time thingies in front of you. If we compare the data from 2025, then you know that based on this cutoff which the college itself released, you would see that you have the highest target of 96 percentile. And last year की scores के हिसाब से you were getting 96 and somewhere around 32 plus. तो आपका एम तो ऑफ कोर्स रहना चाहिए कि आप 15 15 15 लेकर आओ तीनों में. बट येस, दैट इज अ बिग गुड बेंचमार्क यू कैन सेट फॉर योरसेल्फ. अगर आप वहां तक नहीं पहुंच पा रहे तो यू विल स्ट्राइव एंड ट्राई टू बेटर योरसेल्फ इन ईच एंड एवरी स्टेप just by using the 5 steps I have told you. So score versus percentile ka scenario would help you a lot in this case. If I go back to this, which is the real important thing for this video, this gives you the topic wise weightage. तो अभी तक अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो कि मैं उतनी अच्छी नहीं हूँ किसी टॉपिक में, या उतना अच्छा नहीं हूँ और मुझे अभी किसी टॉपिक पे ज्यादा फोकस करना है, then you can use this chart and get an idea कि किन questions पर प्रीवियस ईयर या प्रीवियस टू प्रीवियस ईयर या उससे प्रीवियस ईयर बहुत फोकस रहा है. जैसे यू कैन सी एवरेजेस, रेशियो, प्रोपोर्शन इज समथिंग आई डेफिनेटली रेकमेंड ऑल ऑफ यू. I'll recommend geometry mensuration, I'll recommend profit and loss questions, okay, I'll recommend you number system के questions अगर आपसे हो पा रहे हैं तो. And then I will ask you to focus a lot on the DI sets, because DI के 3 sets में से possibility है that 2 set आप बिल्कुल कर सकते हो. One which is lengthy but does not have lots of logic to it, and second set which will be a very new type of DI set which might not have very difficult questions, because जब भी कोई new तरह का ग्राफ आपको दिया जाता है तो एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है कि इंसान का बहुत टाइम उसको समझने में चला जाएगा, इसीलिए क्वेश्चंस जनरली इजी सेट करते हैं क्वेश्चन पेपर सेटअप. So you can take the advantage of that thing, okay? And moving forward, just that you know, this is applicable for verbal as well. PM का tip तो obviously would stay with PYQ practice and a bit of non-PYQ practice from my channel itself, so you can do that easily. This is not something you need help in. But हाँ, ये जरूर बोल दूंगी कि cracking that in 15 days is possible if you are dedicated, if you are consistent, and most importantly, you know where to hit the iron. Yes, I'm repeating it. You know where to hit the iron. अगर आप अपनी टाइम एंड एनर्जी बहुत सारी चीजों पे, वाइड स्प्रेड चीजों पे, मतलब किसी ने ये पढ़ने बोल दिया तो आप ये पढ़ रहे हो, किसी ने वो पढ़ने बोल दिया तो आप वो पढ़ रहे हो, इस तरह से स्प्रेड कर दोगे तो 15 डेज क्या 50 डेज भी कम पड़ेंगे. बट अगर वो 15 डेज को आप बिल्कुल पिन पॉइंटेड स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ राइट एरिया में काम करोगे, जरूरी नहीं है कि सबका एरिथमेटिक अच्छा हो, बट हो सकता है कि आपका कि और सेक्शन बहुत अच्छा हो एंड वो एग्जाम में आता भी हो, तो आप उस पर काम करके सिर्फ अपने कट ऑफ क्लियर नहीं कर सकते, अपने स्कोर मैक्सिमाइज भी कर सकते हो. So please use it for your advantage and learn this. Use the 5-step technique which I have told you guys, and this can really help you get to your desired scores, whatever you are actually expecting to go to. So with this, I would thank you all for watching this video till the very end. And if you have any related questions, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to reply you there. And if you need any personal assistance or want me to make you a personalized planner or something for the next 15 days, feel free to reach out to me on TopMate as well. I'll be open to your messages over there as well. Thank you so much. Take care and all the very best. You know, you can do it. I can assure you, you can do it. All the very best, guys. Don't forget to like this video. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It really helps. And please share this video with more and more people. Bye bye.